Don't be afraid to use a lot. Remember, I mean, think of this not as, um, an item or a spray that's being used. Think of it as a feature of your product. This is extensive waterproofing. I mean, it'll turn any tent into like a $400 absolutely waterproof, outdoor gem. So apply liberally, absolutely, every area. And I'll tell you, good sign so far. What's going on is, as I apply it, it's actually beading. I mean, it is going into the fabric, it's being absorbed, but if I spray too much, it's already beading just from the natural waterproofing of the fabric itself. So the claims of the product seem to be valid so far, but I mean, you can't hurt. Put some of this on and I mean, you're golden. Monsoon protection right here. So scotchguard 3M outdoor water shield. Oh, that's about it. Completely covered. Liberally. I mean, absolutely dosed, soaked. Here, take a peek. You can see how wet it is. I really made sure to get the seams and whatnot, even though I am going to polyurethane them tomorrow, like I explained. But as I mentioned, it does look like we might be in for some inclement weather. And even after spraying that much, and really soaking this tent, I got to say there's at least probably another half bottle, if not a little bit more, left over. So, I mean, what a product! I'd say you could probably do 2 of these with one of the bottles. So, definitely worth it. I mean, like I said, you got to think about it not as like a consumable expense, but think about it as a feature you are adding to your product, like an extended warranty you're purchasing for your car. I mean, it's a must-have. It's an absolute must-have. They also have a UV product, which is UV and water repellent. And any of you real, campers out there, hikers and backpackers, that extensive use in the sun of anything, it's going to get broken down. So that UV protection is important if you're camping consistently in sunny areas. So they do have that covered as well, in case that's something you're interested in. But I mean, just so far, I'm very excited to sleep in this coffin tonight. I mean, maybe I'm a little strange, but I can't wait. This thing really, really impressed me. I mean, the poles are super strong, and they have incredible stretch lines on the inside. By the way, the brand is Sylato, Sylaeto. There's the ground. There it is. Hopefully you can see it. I think I got this for about $42 actually, on sale from like about mid-80s, almost $90. But see the cross pole design there, so you definitely have plenty of room for your face. You won't feel claustrophobic. You've got the mesh breathing right there, and still protection from water on both ends, foot and head, so you won't get that condensation in the morning in the foot area. You know, your foot box ends up soaked and you wake up with wet feet. Won't have that problem with this tent, I would assume. So, but we will see. I'm gonna let it dry out. Hopefully it does so before it starts to rain, if it does rain. I'm gonna try and get a little fire going, have myself a snack, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. All right, thanks.